Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2017 Kawasaki Vulcan 900 LT. That's the luxury touring version. Comes with a full-size touring windscreen, rider floorboards, beautiful leather saddlebags, and a passenger backrest. And the seat and the saddlebags are studded. It's got a two-tone paint scheme, black and metallic gray, fuel injected, liquid cooled, 900cc V-twin. Beautiful sized motorcycle to carry you and your passenger around the Bay Area. This bike is brand new, just $89.99. Full 12-month unlimited mileage warranty. Come by and check it out. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you for Contra Costa Powersports.